What's up everyone, welcome to Tech Wisely. Today I'm going to unbox JBL Flip 4, a full feature waterproof Bluetooth speaker. Also is one of the best rated speaker under $100. Some of the great features in these speakers are it wirelessly connects up to two smartphones to take turns. It has 3000 mAh battery that allow you to play music for good 12 hours. It is IPX7 standard waterproof. That means you can submerge in water for 30 minutes but not deeper than 1 meter. It has JBL Connect Plus feature that allow you to link more than 100 JBL Connect Plus enabled speakers together. It has built-in speaker. You can take calls from your speaker with the touch of a button. Here are some documentations. That's a micro USB cable. That's a really nice looking JBL Flip 4. Durable fabric material and rugged rubber housing. It has voice assistant integrated. It works with Siri and Google Now. Volume keys, the Bluetooth enable mode, power keys, the battery indicator. The strap. This one is a base radiator, one on each side. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys liked the video and don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed already. I'll see you guys in the next one.